Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft pastel cloud eyeshadow look, so if you're interested, stay tuned. For my base, I'm using NYX's Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and I'm just applying that using my finger. Next, I'm using the Take Me to Brazil palette in the top row light blue shade, and I'm applying that using a fluffy brush to the transition area. Next, I'm using the Zulu palette, and I'm using the matte blue shade and applying it with the same blending brush. To carve out my cloud, I'm using LA Girl's concealer, and I'll be applying that using a small stiff liner brush. I'll be using Coastal Scents 252 Ultimate Palette, and I'm using the shade Pale Daffodil and applying that with an angled liner brush. And I'll just be applying this to the outer edge of the cloud. Going back to my Zulu palette, I'm using the pink shimmer shade and applying that to the rest of the cloud. Going back to the Coastal Scents palette, I'm using Seaside Bronze, and I'm pretty much blending out the pink and the yellow using a small fluffy brush. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just taking the same two blue shades and applying that to the outer edge of my eye. I'll be using Island Coral and Aurora Orange in the Coastal Scents palette, and I'm applying that to the lower lash line using the same small fluffy brush. Now I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk on my waterline. For my inner corner highlight, I'm using Polished Ivory by Coastal Scents. Now I'm just highlighting using Wet n Wild's Precious Petals. And there you have it. This is the finished look. And if you want to jazz it up, you can always use white liner to outline the cloud and add any stars if need be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.